Hi, my name's V, and I'm the founder of Connect to Accountants, the place where people come to learn financy stuff in an easy to understand way. According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, accounting is the system of recording, of summarizing business and financial transactions and analyzing, verifying, and reporting the results. Let's break this down so that we can understand it. When people started trading, do you want to buy this? Yes, I do. There needed to be a way to record information that happens in a business, kind of like a journal, so that you could know how much tax to pay in the end and also to find out if you were actually making money. So there needs to be a system to record this business or financing information, and that system would be called the accounting system. The accounting system is set up in a way so that you can record the things that happen in your business and you have a record. Let's say someone wants a refund. Well, if you don't keep records of your sales, you won't know if they are entitled to a refund or not. Let's say you want a refund for something you purchased. Without records, you may forget where you purchased it from, and without a record, you don't have any proof of your purchase. An accounting system helps keep records in an organized way. Think of it as being a lump of clothing. Your accounting system is like a closet, and instead of organizing your clothes, you organize your financial data so that you can work with it to get the information you need and to check it and also get reports. So that's what accounting is in a nutshell. It's a way to record money-related data in a way that you can access and in a way that it can give you information quickly and easily. Hope you enjoyed this video. Would love to know what you think. Leave a comment now.